how to fix Roblox Studio failed to save error. So if you want to fix Roblox Studio failed to save error or project not saving, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. First of all, you need to repair your Roblox Studio. So find the Roblox Studio icon on your desktop. You need to right-click on your Roblox Studio, and then you'll find Open File Location. You need to go and open the file location of your Roblox. Once you find your Roblox Studio file location, you need to right-click on the Roblox Studio folder again, and then you'll find an option of Open File Location. Click on it, and you need to delete Roblox Studio Beta. Once you've deleted, you need to reinstall your Roblox. After you do that, just go ahead and reinstall your Roblox Studio on your desktop, and Roblox Studio should open automatically. Check if you can now save your game. If repairing does not work, you can try publishing instead. So once you're done with the Roblox Studio project, instead of saving, you need to try publishing the project, and it might fix your problem. If neither of them works, then you need to try reinstalling your Roblox Studio directly from your computer. So go ahead and search for Add or Remove Programs. Once you find it, click on the Add or Remove Programs section. Once the window opens, search for the Roblox Studio. And then on the right side, you will have the three dots. You need to click on the three dots and you will have the uninstall option on your Roblox Studio. You need to go and uninstall it. And after uninstalling, go with Confirm, and then go ahead and open your browser and then search for Roblox Studio. After that, just go and download, and this will automatically download the Roblox Studio on your computer. So this was all about it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.